Hey guys, we are in Chengdu, China right now, and this is our day one highlights. Enjoy! Ayan, dami namin, no? Entourage ng Ibos. Oh, ba't bigyan kang tumigil? Ibos! Roar! Oh!
Free, guys.
Nice! Alright, so this is a room. They got a better view here. Look at the view. Ganda ng view nyo, no? Look at the view. This is the arena, right? Tuwan-tuwa kayo sa mga giveaway pa lang. Sulit na yung punta. Kel? Tingnan.
Ganda, puro map.
Oo nga, no?
KSA,
yeah. Kel.
Elvin.
Uy, ano yan? Hindi ko inuutos yan, ha? Shit. See, everyone favorite of Ibos Esports, except for Michael. Everyone's enjoying. Hey, what's up, Ginny? Okay lang yan, sabay-sabay naman tayo. Alright, so we're just walking around Chengdu.
Exactly. Ayun pala yung park ko, coach. Parkingan. I was supposed to build the iPhone. One more.
Oh, fill na. Kilometers nilakad natin, boys, ha? 5 kilometers. Oh, 5 kilometers.
Ano na to, 16 kilometers, 16,000 na to.